I'm here. We got the rhyme here. I'm your DJ 49, and we have the battle for the night. We got here a homeboy Drag, and we have here a clean boy. And gotta make a showdown. Gonna make showdown. Okay, judge. Yo, drop the first line, yo. Drop the first line. Drop the first line.
Ano ang yung pinagmamalaki, hindi naman totoo pero yung tenga mo napakalaki. Kung lumipad ka sa kalawakan, hindi mo alam kung ikaw ba ay nililigaw o nakakulam lamang.
Yo, give me that for my homie, Jake. Yo, here we go. Here we go. For my homeboy, clean boy of the night, yo. Let's go for Teng. Tingnan mo.
Nagpakalbo ka, akala mo gwapo ka na. Tingnan mo itsura mo, mukha ka namang isang tanga. Balita ko, dati skater boy ka. Pero di ka magaling mag-skate. Kasi mas pinagtutuunan mo ng pansin ang iyong pagmamasturbate.
We had a battle!
Dati, pa-dumbbell ka pa sa dila. Ang tunay naman ay isa lang kitang alila!
We have the battle here on the emo and the Jejimo!
Oo, kalbo nga ako, pero bakit? Nainggit ka ba sa herdo ko? Teka lang, tignan nga natin yung buhok mo. James Up ba yan? Teka lang, di ka nga 3-pointer, sa basketball pa nga lang eh. Oo, bakit? Weirdo nga ako. Ikaw, basketballero ka, pero hindi mo alam ang mga ginagawa mo. Kasi ikaw ay mga pilingero. Hindi ka kasama sa mga basketballero. Wala ang alam, isa ang hamak na bobo.
Ang style ng pag-flip top mo, parang kay Batas. Pero kahit sino pagayahin mo, hindi ka ubra sa akin. Isa kang bulok. Mabuti pang gawin mo, umuwi ka sa inyo at doon ka mag-isayo. Dahil pag nandito ka sa flip top, papatunayan ko sa'yo na mga liriko ko na babato sa'yo, magpapataob sa'yo.
Oo, sige, ang mga liriko, walang maika, walang liriko. Pero sa tenga mo, tignan mo, kulang na lang lumipad ka dun sa mundo ng mga demonyo.
He's talking to me! He's talking to me! He's talking to you, man! He's talking to you! He's talking to you!
Wala ka nang ibang napapansin kundi ang tenga ko. Bakit ba ganon? Tignan mo, nakapula ka pa, hindi naman Valentine's Day. Tignan mo yung profile pic mo sa FB, pa-holding hands ka pa, isa ka naman bading.
Ako ba ding ano ka pa? Tignan mo, inggit ka sa mga holding hands ko. Kasi ikaw, ang chinuchupa mo doon sa kanto. Alam mo kung sino? Doon kay Joby. Wala. Palaad-laad. Rotonda lang alam. Kasi ang ilong mo, sinisingot ng rugby.
boy!
At ang tatay mo, pasugal-sugal.
That was personal! That was personal!
Napansin mo naman nung isang araw, umulan pero di kumulog. Baka mamaya dali mo ako doon si Ernela Kenneth, kainin mo pati aking betlog.
yo, check it out, yo. We have this situation right now, it's going so high, yo. And now we're having the final stage, that's why we're going to judge every one of them by saying the clap of hands and okay, first, we're gonna see who's on judge, clap the hands. And on 10. We clearly see that we have a winner here. We have our homie. We got my homeboy.
Emotional OT.
Okay.
Judge him all.
Now we're going to the final round. This is what we call the fucking shit round. We're going to the final round with one bid with everyone. Okay, let's fight.
Ano to, Tito?
Starting first with homeboy. Tenga. Clean boy, tenga.
Clean boy tenga.
Alam mo,
No, check it out. I want it on English, yo.
English,
no Tagalog word.
No
No
Tagalog
Tagalog word. This is the final round. This is the life of your life, you motherfucker. Okay, this is the final round of your life. English.
Sunod, Ilocano, ah.
1, 2, 3, go. In a rhyme of what we are. No, in any rhyme. Just say what you want to say about Jack.
first sentence Tagalog, okay?
No, Tagalog
sentence.
No, Tagalog.
English. Tagalog na lang.
So let me see your brain.
I'm going first.
Who will gonna lose this fight will suck a dick.
Suck the dick of each other. Alright.
Alright. You know, you're going to suck my dick, and after this, you're going to finish eating it.
That was a few lines, man. That was a few lines. What about you, Team Boy?
Translator, I'll translate.
Did you bring your room?
Yes.
Did you clean your room?
Leave your room.
Look at your face.
Oh my God!
Oh my God, your face. Fuck face. Fuck face.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. The fuck face.
I know my fucking face. Look at your whole body.
What,
Is it a shit? Look at your fucking nose. It's a fucking nose.
God,
And even your ears even can hear. Your fucking ears can even hear.
Respect. Look at your face, your fucking face, but your body, you're a pontoy man, steer man.
What is Ponton?
Audience.
Okay, and now.
It's my turn, man.
Okay. Your turn. Alright.